The shoulder is 8 inches plus half inch sewing allowance. The neck width is 3 inches and the neck slant is 1 inch. This is the armhole line, the bust line, the underbust and the waist line. The nip to nip measurement is 4.5 inches. On the underbust, I marked half inch on the right side and 1.5 inches on the right side. I did the same on the waist measurement. On the bust line, mark 1 inch downwards, then connect the dart lines from that 1 inch. After connecting the dart lines, you should have something like this. For the armhole curve, we need to find the midpoint. On the midpoint, mark half inch inwards like this, but before we continue, we need to mark the bust circumference divided by 4. After making the armhole curve, measure it and find the midpoint. Extend the dart line to that midpoint. On that midpoint, mark half inch on both sides and connect to the dart line. But you should have 1 inch in between. So since we have 1 inch, we are going to extend this lower dart line by 1 inch like this. After extending it, make a new armhole curve like this. On the armhole line, mark the bust circumference divided by 4 plus 1 inch dart and your sewing allowance. Mark the same measurement on the bust line. On the underbust, mark the underbust circumference divided by 4 plus 2 inches for that and your sewing allowance. Do the same on the waistline. The waist circumference divided by 4 plus 2 inches that and your sewing allowance. After that, connect the points. Moving on to the neckline, this part depends on the kind of style you're sewing. Mine will have 2 necklines, 2.5 inches neck depth and 9 inches V-neck depth. The back would be 1 inch depth. We are done with the pattern drafting. Go ahead and cut it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Leave your questions in the comment section and I'll see you in my next one.